In this video, I'm going to walk you through the materials prep for lesson 13 of unit 7.1. Okay, this is the life science lesson where we're going to be detecting odors and figuring out how we do this using our brains. All right, so there is an odor lab. Here's a handout. Every student will need one of these. It's just a data table they will complete. And they will also need, I would say, you could do it per partnership if you want, or per group, that they need this molecular models of different substances, or have one per student. This is reusable though. You can put it in a plastic sleeve and keep it on the lab station. And so students are going to, first of all, smell the odor and talk about what it smells like, what it reminds them of. We're trying to connect it to memories. And then also, what do they notice about the molecular structure? So they'll need this handout at the lab station. You can see that there is a reference guide on how to set up this lab. It is very simple though. I took a couple pictures from that reference and I posted them here. Basically, you're going to use these little spice jars. And if you bought a kit, hopefully it comes in there. You put a cotton ball in there and you drop a few drops of essential oils on that cotton ball, and then go ahead and put this back on top so the students can't take the cotton ball out, and then put the cap on top. So students are going to just take the cap off and smell the odor. D is a menthol crystal. So you will just put a couple menthol crystals in that little jar. The lab has 4 spice jars per lab station. You could share and have 2 partners at each lab station, and they could share 4 jars. That would work just fine. Okay, so that's the odor lab. After they're done with the odor lab, they're going to do a reading. It is suggested that you print one out per student so that they can mark up the text. That's up to you how you normally do this. Maybe you use a learning management system, but this is a reading, and they will take notes on their progress tracker, and they will also use what they learned from this and from the odor lab to construct an explanation in their science notebook. All right, that's it. Good luck with lesson 13.